Well done, Travis. Anya, what do you think of Travis's performance?
That was really nice. You've got a really nice voice. I wasn't expecting it. I mean, because you said, how old were you again?
12.
Yeah, you said you were 12. And then you started singing. I was like, you don't sound like a 12-year-old. You smashed it. You've got buckets and buckets of potential. I can hear you doing so much more. And you look really comfortable up there as well. I mean, your first audition and you took the mic off the stand and you just kind of moved it and you were like, yeah, I'm the star, move. And you smashed it. Incredible audition. Well done.
Kelly?
I love how confident you were with your vocal. I love how you've got a really, really clean tone, and you had complete confidence in where you were going and what you were doing, and your voice didn't falter. And I love that. I'm sorry if I can't get my words out. I'm having a really bad day today. But I also thought that it was fantastic that you know exactly what you want and where you want to go with music, and that really came through on the stage. I thought for a first audition, you've got heaps of potential, and it was absolutely amazing. You should be really, really proud of what you achieved. Well done.
Travis, the truth is, right, that was fantastic what you did, by the way. A fantastic first audition. Your presentation, how you look, everything just blended all together, and it was amazing. But I want to give you some constructive critique now, right? And this is good stuff, because I don't know if you've been told this before, but it's really important for you to know this. I could see how much then you was kind of restricting what you were capable of. Like, that was amazing what you just did. But there is so much more within you that still hasn't come out yet. And I don't know if it's just because it's an audition, or if it's necessarily because you're young and you're still learning. But my God, there is so much more to come from you that you haven't showcased what you can do here. And this was amazing. But you could easily take that to another level completely. And the one thing I would say is, don't hold back when you're learning your songs and stuff. Don't ever feel like you have to sing it very controlled and in one place. Just go crazy. Just whatever you feel needs to come out naturally, whether you want an ad-lib, something, because I can hear that it's very technical. And you didn't showcase a lot of that, but you can do that. And just let yourself go, because that's when we'll really, really see you go to the stars, like, you know. And we obviously worked with a singer called Gracie a while ago, Gracie Jane. And she kind of used to do the same thing, where she would just sing the song in one place, and it was amazing. Absolutely stunning. But it's all about just letting go and really taking that to another level. And I really do believe you've got that in you. So take that on board, because it's definitely going to take you to another level. But other than that, this was fantastic. An amazing first audition. You should be really proud of yourself, man. Well done. Well done, buddy. Round of applause for